Bitcoin is ranging right now, and what is the next price target right now for the immediate short term? Will we see our bullish pattern form of $54,000, or will we see our bearish target where we could retrace back down to 42,000? Well, let's take a deep dive look and watch till the end to find out what's Bitcoin next price target. So for the Bitcoin price right now, we can see it potentially ranging right now around the 47k. We see, let's go into the 4-hourly charts so we can get a better overview of what Bitcoin is doing. So we can see that Bitcoin did break out of its ascending channel. This was a bullish pattern, and we had this pattern form all the way up to from the 26th to the 27th of July, and we had a massive pump all the way up to 50,000. That's a 54% pump. So are we gonna get a small correction before we go to the upside? That is still in the playbooks, guys, so we should be patient and wait. But for now, in the immediate short term, I would stay out of a trade right now because I don't see any clear pattern. You could say that this is a M formation here, this here, and if we break this down here, this neckline here, we could potentially see Bitcoin doing something like this, going back to around the 42k mark, and that will be the bearish target of 42,968 mark. But we should just wait and see because Bitcoin is ranging here in this zone here. Let me just draw it for you guys. Bitcoin is ranging in this zone here, and we aren't getting a breakout or a break up, should we say. So this is just assumptions right now. This could possibly gear up for a retracement because we saw a massive 54% pump, and if we were to get a correction in terms of a bearish pattern, we could possibly see something like this, 8 to 10%, and that should be healthy. We are clearly in a bull trend. Let's go on to the daily. We are in a clear uptrend. As we can see, this is a clear pattern for us to look at, guys. Look, the 50 and the 100. The last time we saw that was in May 27th, and we saw a massive correction. So nonetheless, we are definitely in a bull trend, and as you know, in previous analysis and previous years back, we do see retracements in a bull market, which is healthy in order for us to catapult to our upside. So nonetheless, we did confirm that we are still in a bull trend, and in the short term time frames on the 4-hourly, we do see that Bitcoin could possibly see a correction. If it were to be a massive correction, like around 26%, let's see where that could bring us. If we could draw a percentage gain from here, let's look at it as 26 or 20% conservatively. That'll bring us down to 39,000. I don't really see that happening right now, but it's a potentially possible, but I don't really see that happening anytime soon for Bitcoin. I don't think we are going to break below 42k. I could be wrong, but my worst case scenario is Bitcoin going back to 42,964 mark. That's my worst case scenario for the bearish outcome for Bitcoin. The bullish outcome for Bitcoin, we could just do this again. We should take it from here, and we have to break the 55 mark. So let me just draw it for you guys so you get a better clear picture. Break through this and then retest, confirm the breakout, and we could possibly go to 54k. That is my bullish target for Bitcoin. And for now, I am staying out of a trade. I'm not taking a trade now. I'm just showing you the analysis. We are ranging in this blue box here, in the zone here, and we are not breaking, and we're not giving us a clear pattern. We could possibly see an M formation. That's a bearish outcome, but we could possibly see another follow through to test the support and then possibly bounce back up. nonetheless, that is what we are seeing in the immediate short term for Bitcoin right now. And let's look at the Ether chart and see what's happening there. So the Ether chart is looking also the same. As you know, Bitcoin is a clear denominator for all cryptocurrencies, and we are ranging now, and we are waiting for Bitcoin's next move so we can actually capitalize on these altcoins and Ether, obviously. So we can see some sort of triangle, ascending triangle we could say, or bull pattern forming. And if you go into the daily, let's look at the daily. We also had a massive run up, guys, massive pump all the way up to $3,341 for Ether, and that's a 45% pump. That's a massive pump. And we did capitalize on these trades, and now I'm out of a trade because I am waiting for our next price movement. But what can we do in the short term, and how can we trade these volatile swings? Well, personally, I'm actually waiting for a pullback, and if we were to get a retracement, as you say, if Bitcoin were to fall down like 26%, 25%, we could possibly see Ether coming all the way down to, let's see, conservative, back to our key zone here, guys. Our key zone will be 2.4, but I highly doubt that we're gonna see such a big correction right now. If we were to see a correction, I would do something like this, possibly come down here and testing, worst case, testing the 26k mark, guys, 2.6k mark. But this is just speculations now. We have to wait for a clear breakout, and we can take a trade based on that. Also, something I found interesting, if you were to take this as a bull flag, let me just take this out. This could be possibly, you could take it as a bull flag, and we could get something. If this is just speculation, it's not gonna happen. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but if it were to play out, this will bring Ether into new all-time highs, guys. New all-time highs. Yes, I said that will catapult us all the way back to 4.6, breaking our previous all-time high of 4.5, which we did stop out, and we did stop out here at 4.2. let's say 4.2, yeah, about 4.5, 4.3, 4.5, around there. We did get stopped out, and we did get a big retracement. But what I'm waiting for now on the 4-hourly chart is I am waiting for our next price. I'm not taking any trades prematurely. As you know, we have to be patient, and we have to look at the charts and look at Bitcoin as a denominator to actually analyze all other cryptocurrencies, because Bitcoin is the movement indicator of all cryptocurrencies. So if Bitcoin falls, everything else falls. If Bitcoin goes up, everything else goes up. So this is just a quick video that I wanted to make for you guys. This percentage here, guys, don't look at it now and think that that's what's gonna happen. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that it's potentially a long-term target if Bitcoin were to catapult up. If we were to break, this is basically our bearish target, so that'll bring us to 14%. That's a massive pump, guys. So that's a massive move. I'd love to capitalize on this, and even if it were bearish, so we make money going up and down, and obviously with the leverage trading, boom bang, that's a trade. So if this is a bearish target, and our bullish target will just bring it back up to here, and we could see something like this bringing us back to 3.7. That's also, how many percent will that be? That's also around 12 to 14%. That's more than enough. That's perfect, and I think we should possibly get a retracement, because this is a massive pump that we hit. We ran up all the way up to 67%. In my personal opinion, what goes up must come down. Not saying that we're gonna have a bear pattern of massive retracement all the way down to like 2,000 or 1,800. Reason why I'm saying that is because on the daily we are bullish. We are clearly bullish, and retracements in an uptrend are clearly healthy in order for us to accumulate lower and then catapult all into new all-time highs. So if you guys like this quick video of me analyzing our immediate short term for our cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ether, and our long-term target, please guys smash the subscribe button, guys, like the video. Don't forget, follow me on Twitter at @VisionMarkets. That's where I'm going to be posting real-time updates. Just one more thing before I go. Remember, I'm not taking a trade. You guys can possibly take a trade and maybe scalp it if you want to go. I don't really go past any lower time frames, but obviously I do for entry wise, but I don't obviously scalp that much. If you want to go for sniper entries, you can, but personally I see that Bitcoin is ranging too much now, and I'm waiting for bigger moves and basically better price patterns, and where I can trade and maximize my profits and minimize my risks basically. So let's do a quick recap here. Bitcoin is ranging on the 4-hourly chart, and also on the hourly chart we can see that it is ranging, and I think around September, probably around let's say 5th to 13th, we could possibly, definitely, most likely we'll see our next pattern forming. So most likely, if this were the worst case scenario, if this was a bearish outcome, this will bring Bitcoin all the way down to 4.2, and that's a bearish pattern. But make sure you wait for the breakout, and then the confirmation of the breakout, and then take the bearish target. But I will be updating you guys on Twitter at @VisionMarkets, so make sure you check that out and follow me, and we'll go get these trades together. And I will be posting in real time, because you know YouTube doesn't really give much real-time updates. But nonetheless, this will be our bullish target of $54,000. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update on Bitcoin and Ether. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you smash the subscribe button, guys, like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget, follow me at @VisionMarkets. We can trade together, we have ideas, and you can see these trade setups in real time. That's the most important thing, to see these trades in real time so you can capitalize when the trade is on. So nonetheless, hope you guys have a blessed day forward, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.